Asian countries coming to Kenya.
All right, moving on to matters technology now. Students from marginalized communities and areas impacted by the drought are set to benefit from a digital literacy program initiated by the International and Kenya Model United Nations. Now, the program aims to accelerate industry-wide change and remove barriers to women and girls' advancement in innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship that will support them with training on business competitiveness and capacity building. Now, the partnership will also include lectures, mentorship, and interactive workshops and support scalability in the ecosystem development initiative on sustainability and scalable framework.
Quality. Let us also explore the opportunity and also think about. We are in they call it the fourth revolution, digital revolution or industrial revolution, which is about digital technology and information. And therefore, if we leave the young girls and women behind, then they will lose out in the economic gains, and it will also perpetuate the widening gaps in terms of gender disparity.
They can be provided with the smartphones, and the smartphones, they can help them in doing the online businesses because like they have a lot of children. A mother who has like 5 children, so she has to force her elder girl to come and take care of the others. So the girl will be able to go to school as the mother does the business from home.
All right, let's now talk matters power. Now, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has assured the country that